Hi guys, I just wanted to go over with you for a minute factor by grouping, which is a method that we're going to use when we have a polynomial that has four terms in it. So the first thing that you want to do is group the terms that share a GCF. So you see that I've grouped the first two terms together and the last two terms together. So these first two terms share an x squared term. When you pull that out, you end up with x squared times 5x minus 3. Then you see that because you need a 5x minus 3 again, you can pull a negative 1 out of here to kind of force that to work. And then in your third step, you pull this common factor, the 5x minus 3 that's here and here, out to the front, and then you put next to it whatever's left. So we have an x squared minus 1 left there. And in that last step, you notice that that x squared minus 1 can also be factored. So that's an x plus 1, x minus 1 at the end there. For the next example, we're going to start the same way. Group terms that share a GCF. So here they share a 2k squared. When we pull that out, we get 8k minus 5. With these two, they share a 7. When we pull that out, we get 8k minus 5. Then we pull that common factor out to the front and put here whatever is left, which is a 2k squared plus 7. There's nothing else we could do here because there's no further factoring that will happen. So you can go ahead and try the assignment on Canvas. It's called 2.2 Factoring Polynomials. And that'll be a 6-point classwork assignment that you can work on. You're welcome to help one another with it if you like, and I will be here to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks, guys.